In the textile industry, the printing process is also a very important skill. Reactive printing can generally be divided into two types of printing: conventional all-material printing, also called one-phase method. Another is two-phase printing. Conventional all-material printing refers to the process of putting all dyes, alkalis, and auxiliaries into the printing paste together, while two-phase printing involves putting only dyes and auxiliaries into the printing paste as one phase and putting alkalis into the color fixation process as the other phase, so that the reactive dyes are fixed onto the fiber through the contact of the two phases. Conventional direct printing is widely used, not only for all reactive dyes, can also be applied to the common printing with other dyes, such as La live process La pita dyes and reactive dyes together printing, Ice live process ice dyes and reactive dyes together printing. So today I will briefly introduce you two different printing processes: one-phase print dry steam and one-phase print dry thermofix. One-phase print dry steam process. The whole process is divided into the following steps: white cloth, printing, drying, steaming, washing off, drying. Here is the printing recipe %. 1. Steaming requirements. Cotton cloth 102 degrees Celsius minus 105 degrees Celsius. Viscose cloth 102 degrees Celsius minus 105 degrees Celsius. 2. Washing process. Cold rinsing. Hot washing 70 C minus 90 degrees Celsius. Soaping 95 C minus 100 degrees Celsius. Hot washing, cold washing. Vaporization is the process of color fixation. The reaction speed of reactive dyes and fibers accelerates with the increase of temperature. High temperature treatment at a certain humidity is conducive to the full diffusion and penetration of dyes, so that the dyes and fibers fully combine. The time of vaporization depends on the reactivity of the dyes. For slow-reacting dyes, the vaporization time can be extended to 8 to 10 min. One-phase print dry thermofix process. White cloth, printing, drying, baking, washing off, drying. When K-N-type reactive dye stuff is in steam process, the formation of fibers and dye stuff covalent bonding is easy to hydrolyze. Steam method of color fixation rate is lower than the baking method, so we can use print dry thermofix instead of print dry steam to fix the color of reactive dye stuff printing, and this method is suitable for K-N-type dye stuff. But in the baking process, generally do not add urea, or the dye stuff will occur with its addition reaction at 140 degrees centigrade or more, reducing the rate of color fixation. Thanks for watching. Follow my account and learn more lessons about textiles and dyes.